Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to try the one dip makeup challenge. And so if you want to know how I do that challenge, then please continue watching. So first things first, for the one dip challenge I'm going to use my full coverage foundation, and for foundation I am going to use this one from L'Oreal Paris. This is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Foundation, and this is kind of like full coverage foundation which I want, and like especially for one dip I don't know how much product will actually come out of this, but let's just try and see. So if it's like one dip, so I'm just gonna go for one dip. Okay, so see, this is the only amount that came out on my hand. Okay, so I'm going to take that, and for applying my foundation I'm going to take this Maybelline Master Brush. This is like a kabuki brush, so I'm going to take this. First I'm going to just take on my hand and then apply it all over my face and like small dots. I don't know why this color looks more darker than my skin tone. I don't know, maybe I just chose the wrong foundation shade. See guys, there's nothing on my hand right now, so whatever it was I just applied, and then I'm going to blend it in on my face. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a mirror. Okay, so now here's the mirror and I'm just going to blend it. So since this is like a full coverage, I'm happy about it, and I'm just dabbing it and not sweeping it because I have little breakouts and stuff on my face, so I'll make sure that I'm concealing it. Because later on we are anyways gonna apply one dip concealer, so I think it will be sufficient. So since I just took whatever foundation came out of that pump, it was just like one pump, so you can see still my dark spots here and the blemishes like are not concealed properly, and it's just there, you can see. So now let's take concealer. I don't know how much concealer is gonna come out because it's a tube. I'll show you. It's my regular Illegal Pro Conceal HD concealer, this one, and again this is in the shade medium beige.
So I don't know, I'm like scared because I want to look good in this one dip challenge as well.
So let's see. So I'm just gonna open it and just press once, and then how much ever the product comes out I'm gonna use that. So I'm just taking, okay, so this is what has come out and I'm just gonna apply. So this is how much came out of this tube, so I'm just gonna use it. So I'm just closing it, and again this time I'm not gonna directly apply it on my face, but what I'm gonna do is just take a little product on the brush and then start applying it. So first I'm gonna go under my eye because it's one dip challenge and still you want to look good. So I'm just gonna apply it like this, and then later on I'll blend it out with my finger. So again over here on my forehead, I'm just gonna first apply it because I thought like I applied it with my fingertip and I thought like it just soaked up much of the product, because this is like a microfiber brush and it's gonna hold on your product for a very long time, and I just felt like applying with my finger just made it even more less. So I'm just, as you can see, I'm just dabbing it on the area that I want to conceal. but still I don't know, it's not gonna work because it's like too less product, and I don't know. Let's see. I'm more worried for my powder. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend it nicely.
It's okay even if it's half done. No worries. Everything's chill.
But let's. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend it on my forehead. So the reason why I'm dabbing is because even with the less product, I want to conceal my blemishes and spots. So for my under eye, I'm just gonna do it with my finger, because at least that would look more good doing with the finger. I mean the fingertip. I feel here it's more and here it's less, so I'm just gonna dab it on both the sides. So this is the translucent powder that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna take my powder brush. So this is my powder brush, and I'm just going to dip it once inside and then use whatever the powder is on the brush. And I'm not sure if I'd be able to put it all over because I'm not sure about it, so let's see. So oh wait, first let me just take it out a little bit, tap it, and then okay, so as you can see the powder is here. Fell on my leg. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just put my brush inside this and remove it. So as you can see there's powder on my brush, and I'm just going to use this much. ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा है पाउडर, but it's okay, ठीक है, हम थोड़ा मैनेज कर लेंगे यहाँ वहाँ, because already I've applied very less amount of foundation and concealer. So here's my mirror, and this is too much though. Wait, no, this is too much, ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. So what I'm gonna do is मैं इसमें पहले टैप करूँगी पूरा पाउडर, because this was too much. ये बहुत केकी हो जाता. Okay, so इतना ज़्यादा पाउडर निकल गया उसमें से. अब I can, ये तो हाफ डिप हो गया guys, not even one dip. So एकदम हल्के हाथ से I'm gonna apply. And I'm just going to like focus on applying it on my full face, because I'm not going to use it again, like I'm not going to use the powder again. Okay, it looks pretty good. इतना भी ज़्यादा ये नहीं लग रहा है. Okay, it's better. Even now this part is like, it looks good. And here, this one looks like a beauty mark. If you don't know what a beauty mark is, then it's kind of a small black dot on your face which makes you look beautiful. So that is a beauty mark. And now I'm done, so I'm going to do my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my PAC eyebrow cake, and I'm going to take my angular brush to apply. So this is my angular brush, and again we have to do like one dip. So what I'm going to do is I'm very scared. I'm just gonna 1, 2, done. So जितना भी है brush पे, I'm gonna do my brows with that. Yeah, there is product on this, but let's see. So what I'm gonna do is first start dabbing it on both the sides equally. Okay, and then with a very light hand I'm just going to fill it in. So this is my blush palette. It's a muscular blush palette, but it's broken. So never mind, it's okay. So this is my blush brush, and I'm just gonna it's equal to nothing. It's equal to nothing. I'm telling you, it's equal to nothing. It's very light though. It's there, but it's very light. But it's okay. It's okay. I don't mind. Now I'll quickly do my eyeshadow, and for that I'm just going to use one color because I think for one dip, one color is fine. It's sufficient. So I'm going to use only one color, and that is probably brown. So this is this thing, and I'm just gonna I don't even know if this can work on my both eyes. So let's try it out. First I'll just dab it like this on my both eyelids, and then I'll start blending it. You guys see, it's nothing. So now I'm going to take my Estee Lauder mascara. It's my Estee Lauder mascara, and I'm just going to let me just shake it first, and I'm just going to open it. Okay, and I'm going to apply that. Okay, and I'll quickly do my bottom lash. Okay, so now I'm just gonna apply gloss and finish up this look because I don't know how it's gonna look in the end. Okay, so my lip gloss, and I'm just gonna do like one dip. Okay, this is what it is now. So I think this would be fine. And that's it for my one dip. That's it. So this is how my skin looks in one dip. It's good. It's not that bad, and like it's not what I expected this one dip to be. But yeah, I think it's quite like a justice for one dip. I don't know, you guys need to like comment down and let me know what you think about this look. So guys, that is it for today's one dip challenge makeup video. So please comment down and let me know if this challenge was worth, or if I did any justice to this one dip challenge. And further, I'm gonna like nominate few of my blogger friends in the comment section. I hope they see it and they try to do this challenge. I think it will be more fun. So if you guys like this video, then just like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.